Hey guys, so tomorrow I'm going on a short trip to Kerala. I am full on vacation vibes right now. As you can see from my flower crown clip, I also did my nails, I did my pedicure, and yes, I probably should have started my packing some time ago, but procrastination, everybody knows, it is what it is. So let's get on and show you the mess of my clothes that I've made so far. Please don't be frightened by this, it's just a start. So here we have the white and the blues green, and then the mix of colors there. White skirt, a white pant, a white top. Moving on, we have blues. So this is a blue dress and a blue top, okay, and blue shorts and a scarf. Scarves are really essential, at least for me. And then we have another scarf in this color. We have this skirt, a dress, and a pink shirt. Moving on to the greens, we have this green skirt. I really love that, it's so pretty. Green dress and another green top. Okay, I likely would have to add more socks. Moving on, here, what's the time now? It's 12:41. Okay, so this is my very important powered sunglasses in case I don't want to put on lenses. And then these are just normal glasses. And there's another sunglass here. It's all a mess and it's very messy, but I'll have this clean, not to worry. I'll have some jewelry there. There's others as well. Yeah, just lots of things in general. I've ordered my cab, I've taken my allergy medicine and Evomin because I do get motion sickness. And in the bus station, we had to wait for like 45 minutes. It wasn't that late. Once I boarded in the bus, I just cleaned the area, but it's not really that dirty. And the bus, they did serve us a bottle of water and some snacks to munch on.
The following day. 7 hours later.
Welcome back. So I finally reached check-in to my room. It was I had to wait in the lobby for quite some time because I did reach early, and I just checked in, freshened up, I just showered, and so far I don't have any plans. I have ordered lunch. I decided I was tempted to go for Chinese, but I decided to go for Kerala special. So I hope that turns out good. And later on in the evening, I'll see what I'll do. But as of now, I don't have any plans. Who knows? I might just Netflix and chill. See you later. I'm finally in Varkala. I'm in the second hotel, and the plan for the day is I'm going to go for a full body massage. The person said that it will take about 2 hours, so likely after that I'll go for my lunch. Okay, so it's currently 12:20, and yeah, let me show you the view of the room. It's so beautiful.
Much later. I'm going for my dinner now, but before that, before I show you anything, my outfit or anything, I just want to say that I went for kayaking today and I got sunburned really bad. Let me show you. This is my highlight, because the dress that I was wearing was off shoulder, right? One just not off shoulder, it was just one shoulder, and this is what happened. It's pretty bad. Anyways, I'm going for my dinner now and I'm really hungry. On my way, I stopped and I had some Kerala special dish. The quantity was really good. I just couldn't finish it. So yes, I'm going now. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this, but I have to do something. See ya later. I just got in the bus now and I'll be using this wipes to clean my face, and I'll be listening to a story. I'll show you. Oh, it's taking a lot of time. So I'm currently listening to this in Audible. It's called Arcana Academy. I'm still left with 11 hours 38 minutes. I'm listening it at 1.2x 1.2x speed. So I'll be listening to the story. I'll sleep. See you.